Hello everyone, my name is Indra Kusuma Putra. I'm from IGOV 24 University Muhammadiyah of Yogyakarta. Today, I want to talk about regional politics in Latin America confronting Argentina inflation. Inflation is an economic phenomenon that affects many countries around the world, and Argentina is one of the most striking examples of the effect of prolonged inflation. In recent decades, Argentina has struggled with high and unstable inflation rate, which have had a significant impact of the economy, people life, and social stability. Although the government has implemented various policies to address this problem, the challenge faced remain complex and diverse. Argentina is experiencing a serious economic crisis with an inflation rate of more than 200%. The inflation situation in Argentina is increasingly influenced by global factors, political uncertainty, and change in international monetary policy. Argentina has struggled with high and unstable inflation rate, which have had a significant impact on the economy. In the face of inflation, it is important to analyze the root of the problem in depth so that proposed solution can be effective sustainable. Then how does Argentina deal with inflation? Before that, we will know what are the real causes of inflation in Argentina and why it can be so severe. The first, monetary policy. Government one of the main cause in inflation. The first, monetary policy. Government one of the main cause of inflation in Argentina is inconsistent monetary policy. Government often print money to finance budget deficit, resulting in an increase in the money supply without being supported by consumer economic growth. Taken from CNBC Indonesia in 2023, monthly inflation reached 13.2% in February and annual inflation reached 276.2% at the end of the year, making Argentina the country with the highest inflation in the world. This is due to interest rate factor, high debt ratio, widening budget deficit, recession economic and looming inflation, and number two, political instability. Political action in Argentina also contribute to inflation. Frequent government change and unplanned policies create an unstable environment for investors. This led to a lack of confidence in the market, which worsened the inflation situation. Polarizing defense politics. The political analysts Argentina often polarized with significant division between major political parties such as Parson and the opposition. This polarization can lead gridlock in policymaking as parties may refuse cooperate of compromise resulting in effective government. So, social unrest and protests, high level of inflation unplanned and economic inequality have full widespread discontent among the populace. Social movement and protests are common as citizens express their frustration over economic conditions and government policies. This unrest can disrupt government and influence policy direction. So, the third, economic structural problem. Argentina's stable economic structure also contribute to inflation. Weak industrial sector dependent of commodities and low productivity level create a gap between supply and demand. In addition, excessive buoyancy and a lack of investment in infrastructure worsen the economic situation, driving higher inflation pressure. This has an impact on Argentina's society. The first, decrease in purchasing power. High inflation directly reduces people purchasing power. The rising price of goods and services are faster the rising wage, making it difficult for many Argentine families to meet their basic needs. This has particularly serious impact on the lower middle class who spend most of their income on essential consumer goods. The second, increasing social gap. Inflation not only harms to the economy in general, but also deepens social inequality. Those who own assets or investment in foreign currencies tend to be more protected from the impact of inflation. Low-wage workers and rich experience a significant decline in living standard. Living standard. Decline in living standard. This inequality exacerbates social tension and can trigger protests and riots. So, steps to overcome inflation. How? Argentina President Javier Milei has implemented various measures to overcome the crisis. The first, monetary policy reform. The first step, the need to be taken to tackle inflation in monetary policy reform. This includes stricter policies in controlling the money supply, setting interest rate and managing the budget deficit, reducing reliance on printing money to finance government spending, and introducing more sustainable fiscal measures can help stabilize the value of the currency. So, the second, regulation of price of staples. The government has also regulate the price of number of staples to control inflation. A total of 1,650 shopping products in supermarket are priced up, including daily consumer goods such as food and household items. This step is expected help community cope with price spike. Third, international cooperation. Argentina is also seeking help from international institutions such as the International Monetary Fund or IMF. The IMF provides financial and technical support for assisting Argentina in implementing the necessary economic reform. However, the success of this step is highly dependent on the government commitment implement the recommendation given. Inflation in Argentina is a complex and prolonged phenomenon, with inflation rate reaching more than 100% by 2024. This has a significant impact on the economy, people life, and social stability. The main causes of inflation include inconsistent monetary policy, political instability, and structural economic problems, such as over-reliance on commodities and bureaucracy. The impact of inflation is very much felt in Argentina society. The decline in purchasing power has a result in difficulties in meeting basic needs, especially for the lower middle class. Social disparities are deepening with those with assets denominated in foreign currencies protect from the impact of inflation. While low-wage work and retailers are suffering, this discrepancy has potential cause political instability, creating a figure cycle between inflation public distrust of the government. President Javier Milei leadership represents a pivotal moment for Argentina as it attempts to navigate complex economic landscape marked by high inflation and political uncertainty. His bold reform and controversial policies may provide a path towards stability, but they also carry risks that could exacerbate social tension. The effectiveness of his administration will ultimately hang on balancing economic recovery with social equity and maintaining public trust. In an effort to tackle inflation, the Argentina government, under the leadership of President Javier Milei, has taken strategic steps: trigger monetary policy reform, price control for basic commodities, and the share international cooperation with institutions such as the IMF are important steps. However, the success of the policy is highly dependent on the government commitment implement is consistently and sustainably. Overall, Argentina first major challenge is controlling inflation and effective solution require a comprehensive and intelligent approach which take into account not only economic policies but also social and political aspects. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. See you